Hi Crafty Planner, welcome to my channel. I'm Tina and thanks so much for stopping by today. Now if you are new to my channel, then thank you for visiting. Please consider subscribing, and when you do subscribe, be sure to drop a comment below. Let me know you are a new subscriber and I would love to welcome you personally. And be sure also when you subscribe to hit that notification bell. That way you are to be sure to be notified when my videos are posted. And if you have already subscribed, welcome back. I am so happy to have you as a subscriber. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. So I am pretty excited about what I'm going to share with you in today's video. This is an unboxing of a planner cover that I had picked up, and I picked this up from the Pink Room Company. And honestly, I did not even know that this was coming today. I saw that it was in transit. It never said it was out for delivery, and I was pleasantly surprised when I went to go and get my order from something else that had told me it was delivered, and this was sitting there too. I was like, oh my gosh, it came. So I'm really excited about this, and I started to open it, and my husband's like, you should do an unboxing. Look at how nice it is. And I'm like, yeah, you're right, I should. So that is what I'm doing. So I did, of course, cut this open, and of course I covered up my information, and I was just like super excited when I started opening it because look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's back, it's upside down, but that's okay. I'm gonna turn it around, and it is so pretty. Like the way that this is packaged, I am so excited about this. It's just like so stinking pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, so I'm sorry if you're new to my channel, I really tend to like gush over things that I'm really excited about, and this packaging is something to be really excited about because this is like, it's like darling, like seriously, like look at how much like detailing is in this. Okay, so it says, thank you, Tina. Thank you for your support. I hope you enjoy your new happy mail. Be sure to tag us at the Pink Room Company when sharing on Instagram. Thank you, and I hope you visit soon. And this is from Cindy, and she is the owner. And look, I mean, this is so pretty. I don't even want to open this. It's just adorable. I'm totally saving this. And look at when you turn it around, there's another little sticker here. And yeah, so I am like, when I open this up, my husband's like, you have to do like an unboxing because look at how nice it is. And I had to agree with him. So now, let's see. I want to take this out just to get rid of the box because it's sort of like annoying me. Okay, so this is good. I could take this right out. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get rid of that big, cumbersome, ugly box. And this is so pretty. Okay, let's first look at this little one. It's like the detail that went into this. I'm in love. Like, I'm so in love. Okay, so, oh my gosh, I don't even want to take this apart. How can I take this apart without, how can I open this without taking it apart? I wonder if I cut it on the side. Okay, so I just have to share with you that ever since I was a little girl, I have always loved beautiful wrapped presents, and I am like kind of a master when it comes to opening a present. Let's see how well I do here without like really destroying the paper or the wrapping. Like honestly, like at my birthday parties, my mother would be like, just tear the paper. And I'm like, no, it's too pretty. I don't want to tear the paper. So yeah, but that's okay because look at me go. Look at me go. Because that's so pretty. I don't want to destroy it. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Okay, so super cute. And the cuteness, oh my God, the cuteness continues. Seriously, like look at how I am wowed. I'm just wowed. Okay, so let's get rid of this plastic. And oh my gosh, Oh my gosh, this has got to be like the sweetest. Honestly, like this is so, I'm really, really impressed right now. Okay, and then she's got a little sticker here. The Pink Room Company, thank you. Here's a little freebie as a thank you for your support. Okay, so what is in here? What is in here? So these look like, oh, I think these are, I think I ordered some washi. I even forgot. The main thing I ordered is in this box, but let's see. Let's see. Do I want to open this? I'm so like confused. I'm so confused. All right, let's see. Again, so cute. And I don't want to tear anything, but I can't like, it's hard for me to get this open. Let's see. I know you think I'm nuts, but that's okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, I think this is my order. Yes, this is my order. Oh my gosh, so these are freebies. Okay, so this is like a really just, wow. I mean, I am like floored at the time that was put into putting this together because this is really sweet. Okay, so this was my order that I ordered. I'd ordered one washi tape, and then what on earth did she include in here? Let's see. Okay. I'm kind of being careful too because I don't know if there's like any of my personal information and I don't really want that. Like, let me go take a peek here. Okay, yeah, so there is a packing slip in here, so I'm just going to remove that. And then, okay, thank you for your support. It comes with this really beautiful card. Wow, that's so pretty. Oh my goodness. And then this sheet of stickers, so cute. And then this, I swear, I think there's washi in here. I cannot even. She is so generous. I just have to say that she sponsored the table that I sat at when I went to the Chicago Planner Conference. And that's how I found out about her because I honestly, I didn't really, like, I wasn't familiar. Oh my God, this is so pretty. It's so pretty. I don't know if I ordered this or not. I don't remember. Let me look at my, yeah, I think I only ordered like one washi and I think it was this one right here. So these are freebies that she put in here. So that's pretty cool. And I'm using this. It's probably dulling my knife, but that's okay. Oh, gosh, that's so pretty. Yeah, so as I was saying, she sponsored the table that I sat at the Chicago Planner Conference, and that's how I found out about her shop. Just, I mean, beautiful, generous, so much detail. If you want to see that, by the way, I have a video of my like recap from the Chicago Planner Conference. I'll go ahead and link that above here, and then that way you can take a look and see like all of the detail that she put into like what we got at her table. All right, so I am, okay, here we go. Look at how pretty, so pretty. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm really excited. I am like so excited. Okay. And again, I got through it without tearing it. Yay. Okay. I know you are all thinking I'm nuts, but that's okay. Look at the pretty box. Okay, let's see here. I'm opening both sides. Don't ask me why. Oh my God. Oh, okay. So I got this planner cover book. Oh my God, it's so pretty. It's really big, by the way. It's so, oh my gosh. Okay, let me get it out of the packaging. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my God. I am so happy right now. Okay, this is, oh my God. I just have to like, it's so pretty. It's so, like, it's so stinking pretty. All right, so it came in, I believe it was 3 different colors, and this pink is like my new thing. Like, I am loving this beautiful, like, baby blush. I don't know what color, like a blush pink that you want to call it, but it is so pretty. I am just really, really loving it. I'm so happy that I got the pink. It was available in like I think a blue, and it was available in a purple, which purple is my favorite color, but I gotta tell you that I had to have the pink because I am just like in love with the pink lately. So I am really, really happy that I got this. Look at the hardware. It is covered. It's got like a protective little plastic on there, and it's gold. And I'm just gonna show like the outside. The outside, look at how pretty it is. And it has this like envelope back here, the scallop. It's so pretty. It's so girly. And oh my goodness. Okay, so let's open it up. I'm so happy right now. Oh my goodness. So, so pretty. There's like little flaky things. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. So I am like obviously very excited. All right, so let's explain it. Let me take this out. There's more packaging. And her items, or at least this one here, comes with, let me pull that out, comes with these rings in here. But you know what's awesome? They are removable. Oh my God, this is awesome. Like, you get these removable rings, so you can actually put a planner together on these rings, and then they slide right in here, and you have like your case. All right. But if you're not a ring person, like I'm not a ring person, you take these out and you can slide your planner in here, and it is gonna be awesome. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's look at this a little bit more. So it does have these cords, I guess cords, these elastic cords down the center. I like the fact that they don't like wrap around. They're really pretty. They're like actually sewn in here. So that is really nice feature. And these are like if you wanted to put a like a binded notebook in there. And oh my gosh, so this right here, you put your planner in here, or you could probably put your planner in here, although that would be kind of strange to me. But yeah, it's got all of these little slits in here, and you know, you could put whatever your little cards in here. Anything will fit nicely in here. They don't like drop all the way to the bottom, so you could put like little note cards, pocket cards, and look at the detailing of the little hearts at the end of each of the slits. Like seriously, how cute is that? Like so much detail in here. And like I said, there's an envelope here, so you can tuck some more things in here, like more stickers or extra sheets or anything. I already told you about the cords, and we already talked about this envelope here, which is so, so pretty. And I'm loving the scallop. It's so pretty. And then look, it's got a zipper compartment here, and that goes like all the way in. So that's nice. So you got a lot of space. And then you have a pen loop. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is so stinking pretty. I am in love. I'm in love. And my classic happy planner size, which is what I prefer, will fit in here perfectly. And I am super excited. So I'm going to show you a little sneak peek of the planner that I'm currently working on putting together. I am so happy that I got this, and I want to just share how this is going to fit in this case here. So here is the sneak peek of the planner. And look at how pretty the soft pink is matching perfectly. I'm so excited. And let's see, this should fit like right in here. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And you can put like a beautiful pen in here. And this matches amazingly. And there is like a little bit of wiggle room, which I like. And look at how pretty And there's room, like there's even more room in here. So you can put like, there is some like serious room in here actually. So if I needed to put that like on an expander disc, I know that that would fit. It's so pretty and I am really, really happy with this. So I am so happy that I shared this with you. You got like a little sneak peek of what I'm working on currently, and I will be sharing that with you when I'm ready. I don't really want to give a time frame because I am waiting for some different things to come in, and then once I feel like really good about it, then I will go ahead and share it with you, and you'll be able to see the inside of that planner and all of the goodies that I have put in there. All right, well, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. I had so much fun sharing this with you. This was such a fun time, and I really hope that you enjoyed yourself as much as I enjoyed doing this with you. Be sure to hit the like for me if you like this video, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell, that way you will not miss any of my videos. I do put videos out every Saturday evening, and then I will put a video out during the week on occasion, depending on what is happening and what I happen to find or what comes in. And I am on Instagram, so be sure to follow me there. If you prefer Facebook, I do have a Facebook page as well, and those links are down below in the description box. And thank you so much again for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Bye.